Hare Krishna. Today is the disappearance day of Srila Sanatan Goswami. Srila Sanatan Goswami was born in the Christian year 1488. At the age of 27, he became to live at Braja, where he remained for 43 years. He thus lived to be 70 years old. His disappearance was on the full moon day of Asar in the year 1558. His name in Braja Leela is Rati Manjari. Every day, Srila Sanatan Goswami would circumambulate the 14-mile circumference of Govardhan Hill. As he became advanced in years, this became somewhat difficult, but he was not inclined to give up his vow. Krishna, however, could understand that it was difficult for him, so he came to Srila Sanatan Goswami one day dressed as a cowherd boy and said, "Baba, you have become old now, so I think it isn't necessary for you to circumambulate Govardhan Hill anymore." "No, Lala, this is my regular vow, my worship." "You can renounce this vow in your old age." "No, Lala, one should never renounce his vows." "Baba, I have a very good idea if you accept it." "If it is acceptable, surely I'll accept it." Then Shri Krishna presented him a stone from Govardhan Hill with the imprint of his foot, a calf's footprint, and the impression of a stick and flute in it. "Baba, this is a Govardhan Sila." "What will I do with this?" Sanatan Goswami said. "You can circumambulate this Sila, and that will be the same as circumambulating Giri Govardhan." Saying this much, the cowherd boy disappeared. Then Sanatan could understand that Giriraj himself had presented his worshipable form to him, and from that he would circumambulate this Sila. So these were some of the pastimes of Srila Sanatan Goswami. Srila Sanatan Goswami ki Jai. Hare Krishna.